So I'd go over or just quick install of a GB Racing stator cover for a Kawasaki Z900. Mine is a 2017, and I believe this will cover up to 2020 at least, but look up for yourself. I recently had an incident where in a parking lot made slight contact with a light pole when I was messing around, and the cover got grazed. It did break off, and there's a little bit of damage done to the engine case, but luckily nothing major. I was able to still ride the bike home, didn't leak any oil. But for change it out, you need a 8mm socket, and then also a torque wrench for 11 Newton meters, about 95 inch-pounds. But the GB Racing cover does come with the new longer hardware, just for the 4 bolt holes that it takes up. Beans I'm just replacing in the cover. I'm just going to be able to get the old bolts and reuse them. New cover just slides right over. You don't need to completely remove it to remove your actual engine and stator cover. But part of the reason why I went with the GB Racing one again is because I've also got their clutch cover and their transmission case cover. Plus, I kind of prefer the looks a little bit of the GB Racing over the RNG, although I do have some RNG protection on this bike as well. I know some people might feel it's not worth having a aftermarket engine covers on, but the fact that I didn't have to call a tow truck or anything is really nice. Just like that, the new cover's installed. Here's a small piece of the old cover. It just pretty much snapped right off. But a lot better that than have a bunch of oil on the ground. Pretty easy install, should only take you about 5 minutes or so, roughly. But the longer bolts are included with the GB Racing cover. That'll do it.